What do you see when you see this? A weird rock, right? Incorrect. Correct. Endangered group of animals in North America. Why is this important? Because North America has 300 unique varieties of mussels. What is the big deal though? Mussels, what the heck, it's a rock. Maybe. Kind of doesn't do anything, right? No. Mussels clear the water. Pollutants, toxins, fertilizers, dirt, sediment, all of it. It sucks it all in and sends out fresh water. In my home state of Minnesota, this is super important because in a land of over 10,000 lakes, we need them to be clean now. Which is super important for our recreation, tourism, and agricultural industries. Fortunately, because of some of these industries, the population of native mussels in Minnesota is declining. 28 of our 50 native mussel species are endangered, special concern, or threatened. This is not good. We need these mussels to be providing the crucial ecosystem service of filtering the pollutants out of the water to keep our lakes and waters and streams clean. Mussels are also a really crucial indicator for the health of our rivers. This is because the presence or absence of mussels indicator Now, mussels are also a really crucial indicator for the health of our rivers. Ecosystem health. In fact, the city of Minneapolis uses fat bucket mussels in a tank to determine how healthy the water is for people to drink. They can determine this by seeing how much or how little the mussel has opened up. If they are completely closed, they know there's something dangerous in the water, so they don't want to eat it, drink it. If it's open, then it'll filter, and the water is healthy for people to drink. Now I guess the real controversy here is whether clams and mussels are the same thing. Well, they're not. Even though they both look like cool little rocks under the water, the mussel has a pretty unique way of reproducing. So, a female mussel will use different mechanisms, like deploying tissue that looks like a fish, or some other lure, like tissue that looks like a worm, to attract fish. Now, what these fish do is that they see this, they're like, oh, it's food, and then they come close, which is just the right opportunity for the mussel to shoot them in the face with their larvae. See, the larvae, whatever, clamp on to the gills and then are parasitic for a little while in order to filter water and then feed on some of the nutrients in the fish's blood to grow up into juvenile mussels, which then they drop off and fall to the river bottom, where then the cycle repeats itself. Now, if the mussels and the fish are separate, the mussels cannot reproduce. This is a hugely important part of the whole system, which is why specifically dams and river reruns, etc. are very harmful to the health of mussels. So what can you do to help the native mussels in Minnesota? Well, you can stop harmful things from going into the drainage systems in your area. This means picking up pet waste. This means cleaning up your yard waste, not letting it flow away in a rainstorm, because it'll just end up in the drain, right? No, it ends up in the rivers, where it then destroys the habitat of mussels and injures them. 3, fertilizer. This is probably one of the most important ones, is that don't apply it before a rainstorm, and especially don't apply it while it's raining, which doesn't make sense and you wouldn't do anyway, but it's just a suggestion. Try not to apply it if you can. I mean, nobody's died over scratchy, scrappy, pockety, actually go on to kill mussels, which then destroys the rivers, which destroys us. So, chain reaction. So what specifically is killing the mussels? Well, we've got the separation of the fish, but then also chemicals in the river, or a high pH, for example, which keeps the mussel from opening its shell, which then means that the mussel starves too, which is not good. It also involves such as the shoreline being developed, which then creates a clean, not clean, just a smooth river, which allows mussels to flow downstream and away from their natural habitat. And then also this makes the sides of the river smooth, which then means that the mussels can't cling on quite as hard as they would usually, which has a larger tendency for them to flow downriver. And thank you for watching this video, and have a good day. Also, don't let me forget, this video and several others are part of the competition from the Minnesota Zoo. So go to their website, which is right here, vote for Harbor City International School, and have a good day.